Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to verify your Faceit account. This is tutorial will be very quick and easy. Easy. After this tutorial you will know how to verify correctly this your account. Okay. First of all you have to go here in profile and after that click on Faceit verified. And this is what you need to verify your account. Valid documents, photo quality and clarity, and selfie instead of photo upload. Okay, important, this is a note that Faceit put on here. So I check in on, I understand this is my main account. Okay, check. I checked it and verified this account. I agree the terms and conditions. I agree, okay. And I check these options and confirm and click on verify. And now, and now we and now we have to switch to mobile. Clicking on by clicking on get started, and we have to make a face capture and document capture. Get started and continue and continue. And now scan this QR code, and now scan this QR code in your mobile and complete the following steps. And that's it, guys. This is the way you can finally verify your Faceit account. And I hope this you like this video, and please leave me your like and subscribe, and if you have any concerns or doubts you can put them out here in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye, see you next video, guys.